Alright, here's a quick video on our Sunfish sailboat covers made by SLO Sail and Canvas. We've got three different models here. First one's your basic model, but upgraded with Sunbrella fabric. This is the Pacific Blue, and it has little tie-down tabs. It's got elastic band around the seam there. And this is actually the basic hull cover, but there's still enough room that we can leave. We can force it down, but that's not the best way to do it if we leave the spars on the deck. Next option up, it's a better fit, is the spars on deck cover. It's got a bigger pocket cut up at the front. You can see the mast underneath. It's upgraded with Pacific Sunbrella and the straps, and we highly recommend the straps. It makes it easy to tie it down, get it nice and taut, get that little ridge going where any water that does get on it's going to shed right off. Where you can see the cover next door, a few scallops in that. You can add line to it and tie it off yourself or bungee, but for 15 bucks extra, we think it's just as easy and quicker and for these folks to do it. There's a little tail in the back here if you want to leave your spars sticking further out for some reason. You can there's a pocket there for that. This cover over here is the mast up cover. It's meant so that you could leave your booms laying down on the deck, and you could leave your spar up, and there's a little zipper there so you can zip everything up around the boom, leave it up. If you do that, you're going to have to untie the halyard somewhere. Best place to untie it might be where it attaches to the upper boom. We have found, because we like rolling them under this low overhang, the way we're set up, we bought it to try it. We haven't used it very much. It's only a few feet to the beach. But if you have further to go and you want to leave your boat down by the beach, it's secure enough and you can leave everything on it. And leave everything on it so you can go out early the next day. Then you might want to invest in the mast up cover. Once again, we chose the Sunbrella because it's a little heavier duty fabric. It breathes, so if you do get a little bit of moisture underneath, it's going to breathe out of there. It's not going to be trapped. Some of the other fabrics that are waterproof, well, that just means that water can't get in, water can't get out. So that unless your boat's totally dry and stays in a location that's totally dry, you may not want to go that route. So these are our covers. Those are some of the options you might want to consider if you're ordering one, buying one. One last option is they offer to put a little bow cutout in there. It's been working for us to not have it. I don't know if I like the idea of having a hole there that water could get in and get underneath somehow, but some people might want it so they can run their bow line out, tie it off to their dolly, unless your bow line's going straight down and you don't need to worry about it. But give those guys a call, tell them Small Boat Restoration sent you, and maybe they'll throw in a couple extra stickers for you. They'll have a good one.